Okay, guys, I'm going to show you how to make a lesson plan for the week with hyperlinks and everything that might be easier for parents to read. I know many of you have already done amazing jobs with everything, and you're set to go. So I'm not trying to uproot that. If you've already got something, it's good, but this might give you some sort of information that maybe helps you moving forward. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is create the template, right? So I'm going to say Miss Perkins weekly lesson plan. Okay, and then I'm going to go up here. I should have already done that, but Miss Perkins weekly lesson plan. Okay, there you go. Now I want this page to be page setup. I would like this to be landscape. Okay, so I'm going to make this landscape, and I'm not going to fuss with centering anything, cutesiness, anything right now. I'm going to get the format down. Once the format's down, then I'm going to go ahead and make it look nice. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is insert a table. And I'm going to go Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and I'm going to go down about 6 rows. Okay. So here I might put word work because maybe it's vocabulary, maybe it's phonics, maybe it's grammar, whatever. It's word work. Okay. Reading, math, writing, and spelling can be part of word work as well. Let's say I do science or social studies. Okay. And then over here, I'm going to put Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So let's say on Monday, the first thing I want them to do for their word work is, let's say it's a Spelling City activity, but they've never used Spelling City before. Okay, so I want to first navigate them through that. So that's where you can use your Screencastify. So I'm going to go into a different tab, and I'm not going to start with that one. I'm going to go over here, and let me go back over here. Let me say, under your search engine, it's always easiest if you put search, the drop down, type videos, because any screencast you made are going to come up there. Okay, so let's pretend that this one here was this video. Okay, so I'm going to right click, get shareable link, go back to this, and I'm going to type in, I'm going to put how to videos, and then I'm going to type in how to use Spelling City. And then I'm going to highlight all of the words, insert link, and then paste that link I just copied from the video that I made. Okay. Now, just to make things easier to use, I'm going to highlight all of this. I'm going to make this 8 font. I'm going to make this Love You Like a Sister. And then here's my how-to videos, how to use Spelling City. And then I might say lesson 1, Spelling City. And then I can go to that Spelling City page. Okay, so let's say you've logged in and you're on that page. Okay, copy over here, highlight the words, insert link, paste the link, apply. Okay, so then I could say how to use, and I could say lessons. Right, and then Tuesday you would do the same thing. So let's say Tuesday you wanted them for the reading. Let's go to the reading on Monday. Listen to story from teacher, or listen to story. You can name the story. Let's say it was The Cat in the Hat. The Cat in the Hat. Okay, so if you go onto YouTube and you made a video, let's get out of my Bobcats one here. Let's switch account. And I want to go to my Terrier tube, and I can go into your videos, and I'm going to click this one that Miss Guest made. I'm going to copy link address, go back over here, and I'm going to say listen to story, The Cat in the Hat, and I can highlight just that part, insert link, paste that link right there. All right. And then you would do that all the way through. So you're not having these long web addresses and the title above and the web address below. You can hyperlink the web address directly into the words that you want. So when your people are going through this, they're not trying to find all these different things. You can hyperlink your Google Classroom right in there. You can hyperlink anything that you made right in there. So it takes them right to that. You can also still obviously do your Google Classroom and everything. But if you like a format like this, you can do something like this. Now, after you've done that, you're going to want to make it cute. So this is way too low. File. I'm going to go down here to page setup. If I can see it, it's blocking my view. Page setup. And I want the top margins to be 0.3, the bottom margins to be 0.3. And it went much higher. I want to delete this. I want to make all of this font be actually Love You Like a Sister. This is going to be in the middle, bold, underline, and I might make that one be 12. Okay. And then this one, I can always move this over if I want to, whatever you want to do. And then let's say you wanted to make this whole thing be blue. Okay. You're going to go over here, the fill, and let's say you made it light blue. Okay. And then here, you can make this whole thing. Let's make this be gold. Okay. And then these, you can highlight all of this and you can do in the middle, bold, whatever you want to do. But that's one way. And then you can add clip art and stuff. Now, this is on a Google Doc, and I'm going to show you one in a second that's on slides, because you can add cute clip art and stuff on slides, and you cannot add clip art to Google Docs. They're very, very difficult to add any kind of fancy art to. But you can have a lot of fun with Google Slides. But I mainly wanted to show you how to set up the table and then how to hyperlink anything that you want. Again, you're going to type the words in, what you will link, okay? Highlight it, and then go up here, insert link, and then put the link in there. But the first thing you want to do before you do that is open a tab, get your link, copy the shareable link, type the words, highlight the words, insert, and then insert that text. All right? Hopefully that helps you guys.